Alright guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa SNR. Mamimili tayo ng mga items, chocolates, chips, para sa 50 people. So let's go, samahan nyo ako. Go, go, go! So meron na tayong na pamili. Dapat 50. Good for 50 people yung pamili nating mga items. Ito ka buy one, take one. So bilhin na natin to. Let's get one box. Okay, let's go. Alright, let's go. Ito buy one, take one din. So let's go.
Nakakailan na?
12, 14, 16, tigi isang tao lang to.
16, 18, 20.
20. Ilan na?
32.
32. O, kailangan pa natin kasi 50. Good for 50 dapat. It's payment time. Payment time. Payment time. Payment time. Payment time.